Welcome to Best Productly.
Best Hybrid Table Saws 2026.
The best hybrid table saws of 2026, the machines that perfectly combine the power of cabinet saws with the portability of contractor models. Whether you're upgrading your workshop or buying your very first saw, these picks bring you the balance of
Top 1.
Evolution R10 Table Saw with Wheeled Scissor Stand, 15A motor, multi-material cutting, 10-inch blade, 26-inch rip, 3 3/8 inch depth, 0 to 45-degree bevel, precision fence, portable and heavy duty. The Evolution R10 table saw is built to handle different cutting needs with strength and reliability. Its design makes it practical for job sites where both durability and portability matter. The wheeled stand allows it to be moved around easily, which can save time during busy workdays. This saw can manage tough tasks while still being suitable for more precise projects, giving it flexibility for various applications. Woodworkers and contractors often look for a solution that balances power and accuracy, and this option aims to deliver that balance. With a solid build, it remains steady while working, which helps in achieving cleaner results.
Top 2.
Festool Cordless Table Saw CSC SYS 50 EBI-Set US. The Festool Cordless Table Saw is designed for users who want precision and mobility in their woodworking projects. Its compact structure makes it practical to move from one place to another without difficulty, helping professionals and hobbyists work with accuracy in different environments. The build quality reflects durability, making it a tool that can withstand repeated use while still maintaining consistent performance. Woodworkers often look for a solution that offers both strength and convenience, and this model balances both. With a cordless design, it eliminates the hassle of constant cable management, creating a smoother workflow.
Top 3.
The Jet ProShop 2 10-inch table saw, 52-inch rip, steel wings, 1 3/4 HP, 120V 1PH, JPS-10. The Jet ProShop 2 10-inch table saw is built for woodworkers who need smooth performance and reliable results in the workshop. With its solid build and attention to detail, it helps handle different cutting needs with ease. This model is designed to provide consistent operation whether you are shaping hardwood, trimming panels, or working on furniture projects. Its structure gives stability and confidence while working on demanding tasks. Crafted with a powerful motor and durable construction, this table saw offers dependable operation for both small and large materials. The extended rip capacity makes it easier to cut bigger boards without losing accuracy.
Top 4.
Jet ProShop 2 10-inch table saw, 52-inch rip, cast wings, 1 3/4 HP, 120V 1PH, JPS-10. The Jet ProShop 2 10-inch table saw is made to deliver accurate cuts with steady performance for different woodworking needs. Its strong build allows it to handle demanding shop projects, making it a useful option for serious woodworkers and hobbyists. With reliable design and a balance of size and power, this machine is often chosen by people looking for smoother and more consistent results in their work. Crafting furniture, trimming panels, or shaping hardwood pieces becomes more efficient when using a tool designed for precision. The 10-inch table saw setup helps ensure that each cut is guided and controlled, which supports cleaner finishes and reduces waste.
Top 5.
Grizzly Industrial G0771Z 10-inch 2 HP 120V hybrid table saw with T-shaped fence. The Grizzly Industrial G0771Z is built for those who want strength and precision combined in one machine. With its hybrid design, it brings together qualities that appeal to both hobbyists and professionals. Its sturdy build makes it reliable for different woodworking tasks, and the overall structure is designed to provide smoother operation while handling a variety of materials. Many users appreciate how a tool like this allows them to work with greater control, especially during long projects that require consistent results. When using a 10-inch table saw, accuracy is one of the most important aspects, and this model is created with that in mind. Its cutting ability gives woodworkers the confidence to take on challenging jobs while still maintaining steady performance.
The link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.